Good day everyone, my name is Janel Teana Fernandez and this is a video presentation of Laboratory Activity 4 in Data Communications and Networking 1 at AMA Online Education. And in this video, we are expected to configure router connections, design a simple network topology depending on the application, and construct a LAN-to-LAN connection using the Cisco Packet Tracer. Now let us begin. Now that we have created the network simulation, let us now answer the question provided in this activity. So we are going to start with the first question. What is the importance of routing? So the significance of routing comes down to how different networks communicate with each other. So additionally, this plays a significant role in determining the direction of the interfaces to be matched accordingly, where the data is sent to each computer. So without its operation, without the router, there would be no route for the data to go to. Moving to the second question, why do we need a router? Why don't we use a switch or a hub? So routers are considerably different from switch and hub. And hubs, which are more similar to each other, switch That is because switches and hubs are both assigned to their matching ports within the networks. Unlike routers, they connect and control the communication between the networks. So, in other words, routers connect devices to the internet, and switches connect devices within the network, like hubs, but with less security. Moving to the third question, why is it important that each PCs have different IP address? What will happen if we use the same IP address? So if both devices use the same IP address, it will prevent them from connecting to the network. An IP address originally made for the identity of a device makes it efficient for the router to find your device to transmit the data to. So if we use the same address, it will either decline both of your devices or one wins, but with unnecessary interferences. However, in routers, it can communicate and route with the same IP address, but it can also have conflict. And lastly, for the fourth question, what can I conclude from this activity? In summary, I conclude that routers, switches, and hubs individually function in their own way throughout the network, and each of these devices are connected to a different IP addresses, building a LAN to LAN connection of routers. Initially, we used Ethernet ports, then we switched to serial ports. And that concludes the activity. That is all, and thank you for watching and have a great day.